What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Fish and GrubbZ. We are out here with Becca, and today we're going for a monster. Little gator mouth. I haven't gone for these fish in ages. It's been ages, folks. I feel like it's been ages. But Becca wants some live bait. I think she might be the only one running live bait unless I have zero luck. Today I'm going to be trying to use Yamamoto baits to catch one of these gators. Now, who knows what's really going to happen? Who knows if we're even going to catch one? But we're going to try. We're at a creek right now trying to catch some creek chub for Becca and possibly me if things get really shaky. But we're pumped. It's been a while. I never get to fish with Becca anymore because I'm working way too much. But the season's going to come to an end just as fast as it started. So got to get it in while we can. And I've learned so much and come a long way in the past few weeks. Anyways, let's get down there and see what we can put together. Well guys, the day started off strong. Becca here is soaked already. She fell right there because these rocks are extremely loose. Not safe. Guys, be careful when you're creek fishing, okay? No. So many follows. Come on. Awesome.
I'm not even cold.
Huh?
I'm not even cold.
That's good.
I have a thermal pants and thermal shirt on though. That's probably why.
Yeah, and it's sunny as fuck.
Thank God.
I don't want to lose this because this thing was great to me. This is what caught all my fucking bluegill when we were in the desert. I'm gonna throw it on and lose it. Got one. And I wasn't even recording those other two. Yeah, get some.
What? You caught one?
Ready?
No, I'm not actually. How many did you catch? You caught 3? No way!
Quick, quick, quick.
I'll put some water in that. What?
Hopefully that one didn't die.
My GoPro was in there. Yes. They don't have to be lively either. Oh, I mean, this one's a little not, but these two are.
Yeah, he's the first one I caught, was the bigger one.
Nice.
All right, let's see if I can go get a couple more.
Yeah, try.
That was a good one. Stay on. Stay on. Yes. It's 4. Boy, he crushed it. Nothing like putting some creek chubs in your pocket so that you can catch a couple more for Becca. Well, folks, that's it for the creek chub fishing mission. I got 4 of them. 4, all on the little bait that came in my outlet bait tackle secret bait box. You guys can get one of those, link down below, use code GrubbZ to save $10 off. Now they have the premium box, which is freaking dope. If you guys didn't see that unboxing, we'll leave that linked right here. So we're amped up that we got that bait. I never would have bought that myself. And it caught us the 4 creek chubs we're going to use to catch some pike, hopefully today. I'm going to be throwing Yamamoto baits for the rest of the day. Possibly one of those chubs that we got. And probably that bait that we caught them all on until it snaps off or something. I still can't believe we didn't lose it. It was caught in a tree. I got it back. Crazy. All right, guys. Becca and I are here. We're at the river. We're going to put the axe in, and then we're going to have to park in a different place because this whole boat launch has been being redone for like the past 17 years. And so we're gonna get our stuff together, and we're gonna get the hell out there. Wish us luck. I'm really jacked up right now. I really hope we can catch at least one of these gator mouths. And if not, hopefully we get a smallmouth or 2, or maybe even some small fish. We're gonna do what we can to just put a fun day together. It's so rare that I get to go out freshwater fishing. So we're jacked. Let's go. Woo. Here we are, folks, on the river. See if we can't catch us a couple fish. The plan today is going to be chatterbait, spinnerbait. The chatterbait, we got the Seiko trailer, as one would, Yamamoto, and we got the Yamamoto spinnerbait with a trailer hook on it, the BMC trailer hooks. Let's see what we can put together here. If anything, we're gonna start throwing that light tackle. We also brought the Ica with us. We got a bunch of good Yamamoto baits to throw if the stuff we have on doesn't work out. A bunch of stuff. We honestly do not know what to expect. This is our first time fishing this part of the river. Fished the falls behind us with a really light tackle. Got a couple smallmouth. We are not going down that way. No siree bot. We're gonna go upriver and then come float back down. Luckily, the current is being really nice. It's not pulling me fast at all. Be able to actually fish this shit and fish it the way we want to fish it. So it's nice. That is nice. And we're just waiting for Becca to get her yak in. She's organizing everything. It'll take her fucking 3.5 hours to do that. Got 15-pound Seaguard yellow label paired up with this Carbon Fire by Luz that we got. Speed spool with the carbon fiber, or the Carbon Fire rod to go with it. On both the dicks. Really nice setup. Casting really well against the wind. I don't know about, I've never caught a pike in a river before. You guys know me, I'm not really much of a river fisherman at all. So if we get anything today, I'm gonna be really happy. Just the fact that we got those jumps for Becca is great. That alone made me really pumped. Oh, that felt good. Just hooked into a log. Thought I had my first fish. Let's go. Oh, the sun on my face is like, it feels like a spring day, dude. Loving it. Water temp, cold as shit. Yeah, baby. Yes. Yes. Oh, my first decent largemouth in so long. Oh my goodness. Little tanker. Oh. It's been so long since I've caught a decent one. He's like fat fall river bass on the Yamamoto spinnerbait, guys. Yamamoto spinnerbait with 5% battery left. That is epic. Yes, please.
I'm coming right at you.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay.
So jacked up. All right, first chunk of the river. That, I couldn't be happier. All right, buddy.
There he goes.
So dope, right under your kayak.
All right, congrats, brother.
Ow.
I'm gonna go catch some fish too.
Well, folks, there you have it. One fish that we were kind of going for on the day. We got 4 creek chubs to start the video, but we grinded. We've been out on this river for hours and hours, and we got that one bass bite that we know of. Becca had a couple bites on the jig, but that's it. We never catch more fish than Becca, so that's a tough day. That's a tough day for both of us. We were really hoping for a toothy critter. We didn't even have a follow. I didn't even see signs of any. But that's fishing for you sometimes. Sometimes you just, especially this time of year, you grind, and you don't get what you went for. So we still had fun. Any day on the water is a good day. So every day is a good day. Guys, if you had fun today, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. We're dropping videos every single weekday. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.
Gonna finna jump for this shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Hey, vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive. Angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose sleep. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth. You bed with the right. Never first sight shit. Art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could they kick it? I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they wouldn't find behind it. Why the suspicious behind the eyelid? Tell her reckless with the clauses. Careful with it cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print. Always read the shit with a caution. Hold the 10 toes down for the dogs, you can see the paw print.